Okay, I think I want to do this now.
This thing does hover well. If there's no wind, then you can start throttling back. See, I'm real lazy on my rudder now because I just haven't been flying enough. I'm gonna get back over here. Come here.
Well, it has calmed down, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. Can you tell you haven't flown it for a while, or
Yeah, I'm just.
Can you?
Yeah, I mean, it's okay, but yeah, I'm just rusty. I'm thinking about stuff instead of reacting to the mistakes instead of doing what I want with it. I mean, it's not bad, Walt, but it's just a little rusty with it. It's easy to fly. It's not hard. You want to fly it?
No, no. Oh, that's nice. What I thought was kind of strange was you were hovering with your back into the wind when you first started flying.
Care. It really doesn't care. It just kind of goofs you up.
Oh, that's
sometimes.
nice right there.
It goofs you up sometimes in that you.
Orientation, huh?
Well, your controls are the opposite.
Yeah, yeah, right. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my out to make a low, slow pass.
Okay.
And then we'll land it to get the.
We'll get some of those red clouds in the background. Oh yeah. Can you take another pass around so I can get sunset in there? Maybe a little lower from the west. Oh yeah, that's nice. Flying W, 27th of May, 2013. Got a beautiful blue Arizona sky.
I'll land from the west.
Okay, coming in from the west. All right, Flying W.
Come on down, I'll plug that LEDs in if you want to see them. See what he's looking at.